How does forgiveness manifest? How does forgiveness aid our manifestations? The root of the word forgiveness means to thoroughly give away. We start to manifest forgiveness when we release or give the hurts away, and we do this thoroughly, meaning that we pass through it, cross over in every detail. We are reflective witness, and then we offer compassion. We bring active forgiveness with the energy of the first quarter. We understand that it is through forgiveness that we allow new love manifestations in. We bring forgiveness to all other archetypes in love and all of our sub-personalities of love. I forgive you, karmic, catalyst, soulmate, twin flame. I forgive you, love. I forgive my past love manifestations. I forgive you, manifestation. I forgive myself in all of us. Thank you. Anarakastiko onon siarta. Nankarakasikala azihti hihta non dortostiko ochor. Landa arakana tederanta andirte. Lanartastikaraka azihti hihta non korokostikaraka. Non kortistiartan artichti hich nankarakala aro ononda araka. Li ikoch urk onastikaraka. Li ikorkostikana ala nortisti hihta anda araka. Anda araka andasti korko lo non sichte, lo non sichte, lo onortostik achalakasti karakan, landartasti karakala azichti hichte non korte, londa arakasti karaka, londa arakasti karaka, lon nikorokosti hichte, lon koroko onon karaka, achartasti karaka, li karaka nertichti ichondosti artana alanda araka, li korokosti kanarta anna ala anunk orokosti karaka ri ucho ozichte na nartisti artanata li nortosti artanata dirti artasti karaka lankarakasti karaka norti artanata ondi hichte na nartasti londa arakasti karaka la narti artanata sih ondo oroko ondo oroko ondo oroko. It is done. It is so. Thank you with all my love, Francie.